Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I shoot on flying birds. My name is Göran and I live in the southwest of Sweden, and I'm a nature photographer. And if you like what you have seen, you can subscribe here. Here we have a red kite, and I'm going to photograph it. I used 1/4000 of a second in shutter speed and 2.8 in aperture, which makes it to 640 in ISO. And that will be sharp enough, and here we froze the picture so you can see my other settings. And I'm just waiting for it to fly down. I'm using square 19.11 as focus following mode. And I hope that it will go down. During the time I can zoom in with function button it, and yes, come on now. Here it goes. Yes. And the camera performs 20 pictures per second. And here we showing it in slow motion, and as you can see, it following the bird very well. Now we start the picture showing at 184, and you can see that it follows the eye very well. And here I have it from Photoshop. It's the same picture, and it goes down, and I'm very surprised and proud of that I can follow the bird because it goes fast, and I'm also proud of my camera that makes it possible to take this photo. Here I stop it so you can see when I zoom in how sharp it is. Even if it's on the camera display, it seems sharp. I take it into Photoshop, and this is the result. I have darkened it a little bit. And then we continue just to show you that it don't miss focus of the bird. It's me who not fix all the flying, because it stops when it goes down. Here we have another situation. I was hoping that the Magpie will do something, but it just fly away. And then I had to wait, but during the time I tried to make video, and this is from 8K. It's not possible. I go up to 4K, and then I have a shutter speed of 250. I have it because I have 120 frames per second. I need to have the double. I go up to aperture 6.3, and the ISO becomes 80, and that's very good for the situation. And here it flies down. Here is the red kite a little bit behind the tree, and now I have switched, as you see in the upper level, I have switched it to 3D following mode, just to show you that I prefer the rectangle 1911 before 3D. And here you can see why, because the 3D isn't catching the bird immediately. There it catches it, but as you see, it's not sharp. It's not sharp, the other photo either. And here we have a little sharper, and I take this one into Photoshop, and here we have the result, and it's good, very good enough. But it takes time for the 3D to get the focus. And as you see, it's not as sharp as if I use the 19.11 rectangle. But it follows, but not so sharp as the rectangle. That's why I'm using 19.11 to following birds. Here I have another situation. I just place the camera on this because I want the bird to sit there and get the photo. After time I get this photo. Then I find another spot like this. I want the bird to sit here, and then I can take a photo. And here we have a nut hatch that comes. So I work like this. I look out. This is also an environment. I want a bird to sit here, and I get a bird sitting there. But it can be a long waiting. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumb up, or even better, if you subscribe to my channel.